Hello everyone, this is Konkona and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another brand new review, and today's review would be all about this definition waterproof eyeliner from Kiko Milano. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is how Kiko Milano definition waterproof eyeliner's packaging look, and let me show you the product. So this is how it looks, and as you can see it, this is a liquid eyeliner, and also it has high pigment. It has a bristle applicator or brush, and hope you can see it that it has thick consistency. And before I apply it, I just wanted to show you one thing, that it reads here that it is extra shiny eyeliner, but that doesn't mean it has shimmer in it. However, I have observed that it reflects light and looks shiny upon drying completely. So I'll just apply it and let it dry completely. Just get rid of the excess product. So I'll allow it to dry completely and come back. Now as you can see, it is completely dried, and I'll just spray some water on it. Hope you can see that it is waterproof. So as you have seen earlier, the consistency of this eyeliner is pretty thick, and that's why it feels a bit heavy and sticky while I'm applying it, and also it takes longer time to get completely dry. Also, while it is getting dry, I need to be very conscious, otherwise it may get spread to unwanted parts of my eyelids, and also there is a chance that it may spoil my eyeshadow as well. However, all these efforts gets justified when I see it gives a awesome, gorgeous, shiny finish. Now I have performed few tests on this eyeliner, predominantly to check how it behaves with water and also to see how it reacts to sweat. Now to check how it behaves with water, I have applied it on my hand and let it dry completely, and then I have placed it under the running water tap. And I have to mention that I was amazed to see that it hasn't moved a bit, and also it stayed as it is. Now to check how it reacts to sweat, I had applied it and went to gym for once because I stay in cooler place where I normally don't sweat. So you can see in this video that I have applied this eyeliner and I'm inside the gym. And my takeaway is it can easily survive minor to moderate sweating. However, please note I cannot comment on whether it can survive heavy sweating because simply I couldn't test it. Another good thing which I have to mention is it doesn't get peeled off easily. Now to remove this eyeliner, I have to use makeup remover because my cream cleanser doesn't remove this product. In next shot, I'll quickly show you what I'm saying. So now I'll quickly show you what happens when I use a cream cleanser and when I use a makeup remover. So I have taken cream cleanser here, and here I have taken makeup remover. So I'll start off using the cream cleanser one. So as you can see, the cream cleanser doesn't remove this eyeliner at all. So you can see it. So now I'll use the makeup remover. So you can see it is already getting removed. So as you can see, though this eyeliner has stubborn nature, it doesn't stain my skin. Now, if I have to tell you in one word, I'll say I have made a good investment buying this eyeliner. Just one quick comment before I close this video. In order to achieve a clean and mess-free application, just get rid of the excess product from the applicator and then apply it. So yes, that is a quick review about this definition waterproof eyeliner from Kiko Milano. You can also read about this product in my website styletravelandmode.com. I have mentioned the website link in the description section. And if you feel this video is useful, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.